Well, here's a nice little free template for you. This one has been designed for anyone who has an interest in fitness, and we have a dark theme going on here. I call this one Powerhouse. Now, as you can see, we've got a couple of big old buttons here, a primary and a secondary. Obviously, I'm expecting you to change the text here, and the images for that matter. We've got a nice responsive video container here, and don't I know how to design them. If you look up the middle section here, we've got some super fancy tooltip nav buttons here, which I think look rather nice. It's very easy to go into the code and change these to anything you want. Here's how it looks on an iPhone, and as you can see, it's looking not too bad. The video container is responsive. We have some CSS handling that, and we've got a nice little sliding nav here. That's an iPhone simulation, by the way, and if I take it to, let's say, an iPad mini and then rotate it, watch this, boom, isn't that fantastic? So this entire thing uses no third-party code. Apart from the font awesome icons, all of the JavaScript, all of the CSS, all of the PHP, all of the HTML is, well, actually by myself, with a little help from my friends. And that's good, because that means that, like everything with the Trongate framework, we are aiming for stability. Now, this one is going to be available on the Module Market free of charge. I'm just about to upload it. If I just preview it in the store, it's going to look something like this. And I'm about to record a tutorial on this actually on my YouTube channel. So keep a lookout on my YouTube channel and you'll see that. And that is Powerhouse. I'll just quickly show you how you use this. Now, the whole thing is going to install automatically if you use the Trongate Desktop App. And again, I'll cover that in my tutorial. To call the template, you just load up the template as normal and you add in the name Powerhouse. That's all you have to do, okay? And if I show you the actual template itself, here it is here. And as you can see, there's no surprises here. It's just a few sections. There's the footer. There's really not much to it. Not much. In fact, look at how few lines there are. And that's another really cool thing about the Trongate framework. It's one of the reasons why we are so fast compared to all of those other frameworks. So anyway, that's Powerhouse. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Please remember, folks, the Trongate framework is free of charge. The desktop app is free. These things will always be free. There is no professional level or anything. There's no upsell. We are here to keep the doors of web development open. And all we ask is, if you enjoy using this stuff, please give this framework a start on GitHub. Cheers!